Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Nutritious and Delicious. Today we're going to be making some thinly sliced steak with coconut aminos. Super easy to make, and this is what we'll need. 7 ounces of steak like tenderloin or ribeye, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1.5 tablespoons of coconut aminos, and 1/3 cup of water. First, we're going to begin by trimming our steak of excess fat. If you don't have steak, you can use chicken breast. The coconut aminos go really well with that too. Next, we're going to slice the beef about 1/8 of an inch thick. Now we're going to salt and pepper the steak on both sides. We're going to add oil to the pan, and once it's hot, we're going to add in our steak slices. We're going to fry on the first side on medium-low heat for about 4 minutes. Now we're going to flip them and cook for about 2 more minutes. After that, we're going to add the star ingredient, which is the coconut aminos. Coconut aminos are a great substitute for soy sauce, but not as salty as soy sauce is, and it has a touch of sweetness to it. Now we're going to add the water and move the pieces of steak around so that everything gets evenly distributed. And then we're going to cover it and boil for 2 more minutes. If you like it to have a little bit more sauce, you can just add some water like I am. Here I have the coconut amino beef with some broccoli carrot salad and some split peas. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.